Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I am going to discuss about profile card by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. First of all, we will create the one folder in VS Code. Fold, Folder name is card. Inside the folder we are going to create two files. In the index.html and second one is style.css. Inside style index.html we are going to create we will we have created link style sheets. That means in it is one of the in external factor we are using linking the css. So inside the body we are creating two div classes. In one div classes we are creating classes attribute. Inside named it as card container. Inside the card top navigation we are going to creating one list. Inside the list we are creating I means here I class. Inside the class we are creating classes unordered list and ordered list inside the div tag. After second div tag we are going to creating class attribute. Inside the class attribute we are creating user image. We are giving our image, it's related to our profile pic. Why? Because we are creating a profile card, so we are providing here as image. H2 means it's a header to username. Paragraph button. About paragraph means inside the our button we are creating one button, hide me. Div tag. Inside here we are creating another two div tags. Div tag means it is creating dividing the page into required things. Here giving class name as social item YouTube. Inside the YouTube each and everything we are providing there, and providing the different links to it. And also coming to style.css we are importing bootstrap link here you are in the url. Inside it we are going to styling each and everything. Star we are using it is applied to whole the page. Inside the body it is applied inside the all tags inside the body. And the dot cart. Dot means here class element class. Already we are displaying highlighting here. Just see it once. We are highlighting these all are the selectors required to our needs. We are providing each and everything here. And user image, position, width, height, margin, each and everything our required need. Whatever we need, the highlighting our needs, that is we are highlighting in that way by providing each and every properties inside the css, inside the attributes, inside the tags. That's it. And hide me dot means class attribute. Margin, display border, padding, border radius, each and everything related in hiding. Hide me button related to that, it's going to applying within for hide me. And in hide me we are clicking hover means already I told you in previous video. Hover, it's a effect we are providing in we are giving if there is a cursor we are placing hide me means effect is going to highlight it. That's it. Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, social media, social item. Span means here we are providing here it is a one html tag highlighting the particular text we are going to when we are used. constant, it's a JavaScript. Inside here we are used another file also, script.java. I forgot it to tell before. Constant, toggle grade, each and everything here using. And here we are going to modifying if else statement are also here we used. Just see it, check it once. And we are played means here output is in this way. How it's going to affect to here Instagram, Facebook, each and everything is displayed in that way as a output. That's it today for